Hi folks, this is Dan. Just wanted to check in and let you know that things are going great here in Sacramento as well as Baybay Leyte. The most recent video will show you that Jill was at the hardware store making the purchases of the toilets and the sinks so that we can get those up and running. They have to be in before the tile can be set. Interesting. They're not lavish. They are Filipino style bathrooms more or less with Western fixtures. Though also, you might have noticed that he bought granite, but I was kind of shocked when he said he was going to buy granite for countertops because I was expecting that it was going to be really, really expensive. But it turns out that he bought 2 pieces of granite. I guess it would be the equivalent to counter size for $100 a piece or less than $100 a piece in US money. So that wasn't so shocking because things are moving right along. It is June 1st. The plan was to list the house. However, somebody walked by and made an offer on the house before I could list it, and I've accepted that offer, and it should be in escrow within 3 days. I may have left a few bucks on the table, I'm not sure, but I'm okay with it because, you know, the old saying that a bird in the hand, and so we're going to go with the bird in the hand mantra and see how that all works out. However, I'm not planning on slowing down our repairs on the house just in the event that it turns out that it falls out of escrow. And Minnie and I have been working very, very diligently on packing and selling things so we don't have a whole bunch of stuff to move when it's time to vacate the house. One thing we don't have is a place to live yet, so we most likely will be moving into an apartment for 8 to 12 months as we prepare for the second part of the journey, and that is the move to the Philippines. Just wanted to get you updated because it's been a while since I've been on, and hope you've been enjoying the videos. I just want to thank each and every one of my subscribers for hanging in there with us, and I'm telling you, it is going to get fun. Once we get on that plane, you know, we're going to give the play-by-play and a vlog of each and every moment. And so that's about all I have for today. And I've got a video of it pouring down rain. It's pouring down rain in the Philippines. They have a low pressure system that should lift within the next day or two. And I mean, if the place hasn't flooded by now, it probably won't flood. And it's raining all over the Philippines. And then also we'll give you a quick tour of the house, as usual, of course. Have a nice day, each and every one of you. Thanks again, and you take care. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon, bro. It's heavy rain, so I cannot come to your house because it's heavy rain. Tomorrow afternoon I will go to your house. See? We have a low pressure here in the Philippines. I hope tomorrow the weather will be okay. I'm here at Pure Fitness. Hello bro, it's Monday morning. I'm here in your house. It's rainy day. This is very bad day for Dodong because he's working and raining. Now he's sundering the design of your terrace. It's almost finished. Wow. Pila mo karon dong? Right. 3 worker only. Mga rito si Dodong, magpataya to. Oh. Putting for Hello, Lil. Mayong hapon. The foreman has started to paint tawag ka na, Lil? Skim coat. Skim coat before painting. To make it flat all the cement. All the surrounding. Hello, Kuya. Kwento. Mayong hapon. Putting the skim coat before they put paint. All the wall. Dirty kitchen. The dirty kitchen bro is gonna be finished. It's rainy day. Pag guman ang skim coat, pintura na na.
Lihaan dyan kasi.
Ha?
Lihaan pa rin.
Ha? Lihan pa yun.
Oo.
Daghan pa din ko ano? Lihakon pa. Ha?
Dublihan pa rin.
Dublihan pa na?
Bagpo na.
Bag-on na siya. Mga pila pa na siya kakuan.
Ha?
Pila pa na siya ka-coat.
Diba?
Kaduha na siya. Tapos pagliha, pintura na.
Oo, lihaan.
Kasi gamitin na pintura ka ng airbrush. O kun.
Roller.
Roller.
Oo.
It's only roller to paint this wall. Ming! 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 Kainit. Lagi. Okay bro, that's all.